Tornado! Oh, it's right on me! Here it is! Tornado! Here it is!
There it is.
Tornado, we're gonna get a direct intercept! Another tornado. This is tornado.
Recently I had one of the best chases of my career. I documented 3 tornadoes and drove directly into a tornadic vortex. On any ordinary chase day, this would have turned out extraordinary footage. But here's a quick guide on how to ruin epic tornado chasing footage. Each tip takes center stage at some point in this chase, so I'll be sure to take my time when they arrive so you can really get comfortable with your footage ruining skills and observe how I do it to perfection.
Illinois, heading towards Chatworth, Illinois. About 45-50 minutes to the northwest of Champaign, Illinois. There's a broken line of storms working its way off the cold front here, and looks like we might have some embedded kinks along this line, so hoping for maybe a tornado or two out of this before the sun sets.
But let me get you started with a little appetizer here.
Right there.
Tip number 1 is, always forget your external microphone at home. Don't dilly-dally with those pesky plug-in record microphones. Cheap internal microphones work excellently. I mean, who doesn't love obnoxious wind and choppy voices? Tip number 2 is incredibly important when shooting at extra long focal lengths. When shooting at developing tornadoes in times like these, you may need to zoom in. Always be sure to accidentally turn your image stabilization off. This creates an effect on your footage that renders it nearly unusable and just adds that magic little touch.
Go on, buddy. Man, this thing's gonna want a tornado really soon. Kinda right in front of me. Flowing really quickly in there. Nice funnel cloud now. Yeah, that's gonna tornado right there. Tornado coming down now. That could be a tornado right now. Here we go. Gotta be careful, don't want to get stuck here.
After documenting a possible tornado, I am quickly repositioning to the east in order to get out ahead of the line, which is moving at over 55 miles per hour. As I do, an embedded supercell matures and begins to plant tornadoes just off to my north. I would end up core punching to get a clear view.
Go. She's trying very, very hard. I am just south of a tornado warned supercell embedded in this line. Also have another kink just behind me. That could go tornado warned. It's that tornado warned storm is right off to my north, about 5 miles, but no visibility as of yet. Hoping as I get into Waseca, I can kind of head this off.
During this whole sequence here, it becomes painfully obvious how uncomfortable I am with my camera setup. I mean, this was a December tornado outbreak. I was in the middle of a camera and gear overhaul, as well as being without my normal chase vehicle for reasons outside my control. Thus, my setup was really jank and hard to use. Fittingly so, tip number 3 is don't take any time pre-chase to think about and test your recording setup. Make sure your setup is incredibly hard to quickly adjust frame, and also make sure it doesn't have full range of motion.
Tornado coming down in the field. Tornado! Oh, it's right on me! Here it is! Tornado! Here it is! Tornado, we're gonna get a direct intercept. Tornado on the ground right here. We have debris in the field. Yep, debris in the field. Tornado right in front of me.
My final tip is crucial. Always be sure to be shooting through a windshield with a giant crack in the middle. It adds character to the scene and takes some of the focus away from those ugly and uninteresting tornadoes.
We're backing up. We're going into it. We're driving into it. Tornado, we're going right into it. We got no one coming. Here we go. We're driving into it. There it is. Oh my gosh. It's right in the field. Crossing the road right in front of me. Here we go. Oh! Oh! There's vortices! There it is! Tornado crossing right in front of me. It's gonna hit this house. Oh my, there it is. It's out there. It's in the field still. Come on, come off. Oh, look at it! Look at it twisting! There it is. Not quite to the ground, but almost. There it is, snaking down. Another tornado. This is tornado number 2. And it's gone.
Beyond the botched footage, what a chase. A December tornado chase in Illinois, and for that matter, a December tornado outbreak localized in Illinois was definitely not on my bingo card to end this year. Other than the botched footage, it was an incredible chase, an incredible way to end the year. And if you chase for long enough, you learn to deal with these days. It happens to everyone. It happens frequently to everyone. I find that the best way to cope with it is to just kind of make fun of myself, as you can see in this video, have a little fun with it, and to capitalize and learn from those mistakes so you don't make them next time. Other than that, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe My Storms of 2025 video will be coming out here within the next month. I've had 2 late season chases, so that kind of put me back a little bit farther than I would like to be, but it is coming out soon.